Hello and welcome, and I am at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. Here's something that's called a new Fiat Ducato camper van. It says new on the outside. Is it new? Well, let's have a look inside. It's from Weinsberg. It's a brand of Knaus. It's meant to be a cheap brand of Knaus. This thing here is going to cost 66,142, and let's start off by having a sit down here and a look at the vehicle. So here we've got what's called an easy entry table. You see that says my leg moving in and out. Why is my leg moving in and out? It's to demonstrate that there is no leg here. That's why it's called easy entry. The problem with this, of course, is that people get up like this. Oh, sorry, that was me using too much force, and put their weight down on here, then the table could collapse. In this case, the hook came off, and have I broken this hook beyond all recognition? I'm not supposed to slide down like that. Well, there you go, it's fixed. And you thought I'd broken something live, or almost live, on the internet. Chairs, the upholstery is quite, well, it depends what you like, but it looks quite elegant in my opinion. Not that I would know. There's a kitchen extension, 2 burners, sink, that's right, standard. Drawers here, notice they've got proper sides to the drawers, that's really nice. Up here we've got a Vitrifrigo 2-way fridge in there. Down here we've got a wardrobe. You've got this, the shelves in there at the moment. Take shelves out. At the back, storage compartments. Utterly, ridiculously daft shelf here. What's the point of that? It's the thing is, they don't use them, they don't know. They don't seem to realise you put anything up there, as soon as the vehicle moves, it's going to fall off. Well, okay, it falls onto the bed, but what if there's 2 things there that hit each other? Then they both might break, mightn't they? And then you spend the rest of hours of entertainment trying to remove glass from your bed. This here is to hold up the mattresses when you put them up, as I shall demonstrate once I get to the back. This is a washroom in here. Nice and bright. It's got 2 drainage points and the non-slips, anti-slip surface, I think is the right way of putting it. Sink there. We've got a space here for soap and things like that. Up there we've got places for shampoo, cream. We've got a window there. There is me in the mirror. Let's now come out. Storage unit there. What's that point of that? Shelves. What's supposed to do? Come out. Maybe you can put your television. I don't think you're supposed to be doing that. Anyway, maybe put your television there if you took the whole thing out. And keep stuff up here in the bulwark. Obviously, I don't like the bulwark, but some people might. And up there, you can see what the score is, how much electricity and water you've got in your vehicle. It's also, you can turn on your heating should you so wish. Now let's come to the back and have a look at here. Right, so at the back, I mentioned that goes up. Obviously, we've got mattresses. There's several units, and it also comes with a topper as well, which I think might impress some people. Now, all of this will, of course, lift up, and that thing there is to hold it when it gets lifted up. Here we've got space for 2 large gas cylinders going there, so that'll keep you warm for some time, unless you go somewhere really cold, in which case it won't. And we've got lashing straps on the floor as well. Close this. Anyway, good, there you go. A new Fiat Ducato camper van. What's new about it, I think, is that it's got a mattress topper. So that's it. As always, I need to say I do not recommend this vehicle. I'll put some recommendations, other ones, and better, cheaper, and from more reputable companies below. Knaus Tabbert, the owner of Weinsberg, has major financial problems at the moment. There's a huge amount of their vehicles on the market, which have not been sold, and not to make this worse, there are financial irregularities and there are problems with overstating weights in vehicles. All of this together, I'm not suggesting the company could go bankrupt, but it doesn't look too good. If it did go bankrupt, who would actually do the servicing? And I don't know, I'm just putting this out. In fact, now Knaus Tabbert put out a press release saying that it was a victim of the dishonesty of its management. I've been doing videos since 2019 warning of these problems, so they can hardly claim that one. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.